Hello, my friends, and welcome to this very special layout and very special video today. I am here with my first layout for the Spiegel Mom Scraps design team. I am just thrilled and honored to be on this team and to be able to work with these awesome, lovely creatives, to call Jody Boss Lady, to work with my dear friend Sara. It's just all so lovely. And of course, to play with gorgeous and beautiful sparkly sequins. Hence, we are sparklers. And today is the 4th, so it is still International Scrapbooking Week. And I am bringing you this lovely layout that I prepared for a challenge, the challenge called One Challenge Wonder. And the reason it is Wonder, it's fun, it's because you have one layout and you can submit it in 3 different areas. There was a team up between the Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group, Spiegel Mom Scraps, and therefore the Spread the Sparkle Facebook group, and the Cuts to You Facebook group. And the idea, and this is still open, so you still have time to play along. So the idea is to create a layout using this gorgeous exclusive sketch that Sara prepared for the channel. Use sequins on your layout, and for a bonus, you can also, or you should also, use a lovely cut file. And then you submit your layout into the album in each of those 3 groups. So you have to be a member of each of the 3 groups. You post your layout in the album of each of those groups. And then there are tons and tons and tons of prizes and lovely sponsors. I put that at the beginning of the video, and I will put it again at the end of the video. So if you, for some reason, because there's so much going on this week, have not heard of this challenge or have not done this challenge, you have time. It's open until the 7th, so until Friday. So I decided to document the photo of the team announcement because I do love having that into my album. It's just such a lovely feeling when that happens. And as many of you know, I am not really a design team person. I don't apply often. I've hardly ever applied. I did want to be on the Nicole Jones 911 team, and I wanted to be on this team. And I was so very lucky to be chosen for both. So I got some Vicki Boutin Foundations paper here. I went in and I took 2 of my favorite shimmers, which is Mama Sings the Blues and Pretty in Pink. And I just did a little bit of packaging technique here, as Sara had done a little bit of mixed media in this area, and then down in this corner cluster as well. Then I am using, for the paper anyway, I'm using the Vicki Boutin Color Study Collection, and I have this lovely paper, and I thought it was fun, and it gave me the idea to go in and just fussy cut around some of these fun spirally circle shapes and create a fun pattern on the background. As you see, Sara sort of has scallops. She probably did maybe some watercoloring, or probably, knowing Sara, maybe even some stamping. I would a little bit of a lazy root, but I sort of love that idea. And the idea I had is I would do that, and then I would create a fun trail and line of sequins to outline the entire thing. And I love that effect. For once, something, you know, that was in my head turned out the way I wanted it to turn out on a page. And I love that. But then I found that I needed a few more sequins. So I went into the middle of each of these lovely spirals, and I took just the peachy pink. So I'm using today the Modern Holiday, and this is from my stash, but it's still available. It's still in the shop, and of course, as you know, you can use my code Moira15 to get 15% off your order. That excludes the pre-orders or those gorgeous, gorgeous, lovely bags that Jody is making. But Modern Holiday is still in there. And I love it. You know I love my blues and my navies, and then the sort of peachy pinks as opposed to the true either bubblegum or baby pinks. And I love that this, it also had in it some lovely little clear bubbles. I didn't use those this time. I didn't use those, but they are so, so cute. So they will have to put an appearance somewhere else. So I went in then and I just added just the dusty pink ones or the salmony pink ones into the middle. And I love, love that effect. Mounted my photo up on foam using a lovely technique that I got from Sara, which is a narrow matte and then a wider matte in colors to match. And those are two papers, of course, from the Color Study collection as well. And then I wanted to get into the florals, but the florals in the Color Study, or at least the florals that I had left, were one, gigantic, and two, not in these types of colors at all. There were some bright purples and oranges and golden yellows. They were lovely, but somehow did not go at all with this. So I looked back into my stash and I actually went into the Paige Evans Oh My Heart die cut pack. And I got some florals that I found matched this layout a little bit better. So just a little bit here. I just put this flat to the page in between these two layers, but popped up on foam here, overlapping this lovely Broadway type light show of sparkly sequins. And then this one in the navy, and this is popped up on pop dots as well. Now you can tell from Sara's sketch that she was using washi here. And if you know me and if you follow my channel, this will be up on my channel, by the way, tomorrow. If you follow me on my channel, you know that Washi and I are in divorce court. We tried mediation. That didn't work. We're in divorce court. I don't do washi. That's it. No more washi. But, so Sara, there you go. I found this, and this is from the Vicki Boutin Color Study chipboard. So love, love, love this. And there is, you know, washi there. I can do chipboard washi, represented washi. And then down here, I found this lovely sticker, which is from one of the Paige Evans collections as well, which is Love This. And I thought it sort of gave a little bit of the same effect. And then down here, I repeated just in a smaller pattern, the same thing. And oh, look, I didn't do my little, I need to fix that. I need to go in and get these little peach ones down here. Yes, of course I do, don't I? Look at that. Yes, we do. Definitely. So I will do that, and I'll put a photo of that at the end. So I got that down. I did the same idea here, but then I forgot to do the little middles here, so I will go and fix that. This Happy Day, which I believe is from the Color Study collection, or is it from Paige Evans? I'm not so sure now. I had both out at my desk at one point, and I was going back and forth between the two. Popped this up. These are definitely from the Paige Evans Oh My Heart. I popped this lovely daisy up here on foam, flat to the page here and on foam, and the same thing with it. This is maybe a little bit more of a dusty purple than the blue, but I find it matches well, and it really doesn't clash at all. And then I just went in and I used the foam thickers that go with the Jen Hatfield Reaching Out collection to put my title here. So lucky. Now, then there's that little spot there. Does that bother you? I'm not sure whether it bothers me or not. So I have these two little pieces, and my original thought is I could put that there, but I don't really like it because I find this is popped up, and then that leaves an awkward space there. And I think if I'm going to have an awkward space, I prefer that space. What do you think? Or I could maybe come down here and add this to finish off this. Oh, I think I might like that. What do you think? Should we do that? And that might finish off that area. And then you know what? We'll just put up with that little awkward space because, yeah, I think I am going to do that. What do you think? Yeah, let's do that. Tell me down below what you think, and I will put a photo of the completed layout with my little circles filled in here. So, once again, just so that you remember the lovely, lovely stuff that you have to do. So, you need to be a member of Rediscover Your Stash, Spread the Sparkle, and Cut to You headquarters Facebook groups, all 3 Facebook groups. But by doing one layout, you post that one layout in an album in each of those groups that is set aside for the one challenge wonder. And that gives you then something like, I think, is it 15 entries, because there are so many. Sara herself is giving a couple of certificates to a cherry on top. MK, some assemblage required. There's just so many shimmers. As I said, I've put that at the beginning of this video, and I will put it again at the end of this video. So get to it, my friends, if you have not played. That is really how to get some awesome mileage. Use a gorgeous sketch. Sara's sketches are just so awesome. Don't forget, if you want this lovely modern holiday or anything else in the Spiegel Mom Scraps shop, pop on over there, use my code Moira15, and I will see you back here again very shortly, and on my channel every single day in May. Thanks for being here with me. Thank you for having me, Jody. Thank you for all the fun, Sara, and thank you to all my lovely creative teammates. See you soon. Bye for now, friends.